Manifesting right now in 3 days or less. Hey, Haug here. In today's video, it's going to be a short one. We're going to be right to the point and allowing you to manifest greater than ever before using one simple technique that will allow you to move forward. Before we do, make sure you throw a like on the video. Also subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking to get manifestation help, coaching, mentoring, link in the description below for our Manifestation Accelerator course, as well as our certification to help you build a personal development coaching business, start scaling it to $10,000, $20,000, or $50,000 per month. All right, let's get into it here. Manifesting very, very quickly comes down to your internal energy. And how we're going to tweak your internal energy for the next 3 days is I want you to say thank you over and over and over in your mind about everything around you for the next 72 hours. It's going to free up a major amount of resistance. Before you do that, go ahead and set your intention, your desire of what you want. Amount of money, a sale, a client, you name it. Doesn't matter what it is, intention-wise. Set that intention. Follow through on the exercises we do in this channel by actually writing it down in the present tense, visualizing it, feeling it to be true right now. Okay, so activate that. If you don't know how to do that, also select one of our videos on manifestation how-to methods. We have a whole playlist on that, and that will allow you to get the method of how to actually do that. After you do that, most times you have a lot of resistance going on, and same for me if I'm not following through on my practice. The resistance are doubt, worries, and fears that are chronically there over and over and over in our internal side. We want to be able to clear that up by going in and zoning in and focusing on thank you, being in immense gratitude for everything around us, the walls, the ceiling, the water, the refrigerator, the microwave, the couch, everything around you in your office, the pen, the pencil, the computer, the desk, whatever it is, in your car, the steering wheel, the actual tires and wheels and rims, everything. You just want to keep saying thank you. You're going to start to be this beacon of light. It's going to expand your energy. Every single client I have ever given this to has changed their energy completely from here all the way to here. And what I mean by that is somewhere where they're in resistance, they feel stuck, they feel slow around their manifesting powers. They go over here to feeling freer, more flowing, and have something happen that they would never guess happen in the 3-day time span. So go out there and just keep saying thank you in your mind, finding thanks and gratitude for every single thing you can think of, okay? And allowing yourself to be there, all right? The other thing to do as well is share this video with as many people as you can, your friends and family, colleagues, anybody that you know will be in harmony with this. You don't have to share with the people that are going to just be the naysayers. Share it with as many people as possible to give them the light of how to manifest better in their life. What that's going to do for you is you're going to spread more of the light in this world. You're going to become an increasing center. In the Science of Getting Rich, Wallace Wattles talks about that. You have to be an advancing person. You have to be the beacon of light, the increaser. If you increase life, life will increase you. And during the next 3 days, as you're doing your gratitude, thankful thinking, you want to be able to spread more of this timeless wisdom to the other people around you, and you all are going to vibrate at a higher frequency. Okay? So share this with as many people as you can and allow it to expand your being as you move forward.